Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this fuzzy gray sweater from Amazon. So it's super soft, first and foremost. There's a nice cheetah lining all the way around, a cheetah pocket as well. That is a zippered pocket. And it's real. The cheetah fabric is just as soft as this fuzzy fabric. And then the back is just totally gray or whatever color you get it in. There are also pockets inside, which are also cheetah lined. It's really loose fitting. I got a small. It fits, really comfortably and really quite baggy actually. Once again, here is the zipper, like keys or stuff like that. Let's see what it looks like all the way up. Ooh, I think I kind of like that look. Back. And then the pockets. It's quite stretchy, really loose, so you can just throw this on over anything for a comfy sweater look. For more reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, and to purchase this, you can actually check out the links below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!